Welcome to our plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how plastic recycling is done, step by step. Be sure to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Every recycled product begins its journey as discarded plastic.
Collected waste is gathered and prepared for its next destination. Here, plastic is consolidated before entering industrial recycling.
Every load moves closer to transformation.
Collected plastic now moves toward its second life.
The recycling plant stands where waste becomes value.
Every delivery is checked before entering the system.
Precise measurement ensures controlled recycling. The transformation process is about to begin. This facility is where plastic waste begins its rebirth. Precision and safety guide every operation. Inside, the recycling line stands ready. Raw plastic waste enters the recycling stream.
The journey from waste to resource has begun.
Human judgment removes what machines cannot.
Hidden contaminants are silently extracted.
Technology reads color at the speed of motion.
Cleaning removes the past from every fragment.
Cleaning removes the past from every fragment. Pure material is prepared for transformation. Plastic is broken down to its essential form. Dry, consistent granules ensure smooth processing. Every fragment is transformed into manageable granules.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Consistency is checked before the main transformation. Granules enter the heart of the recycling process. Heat transforms granules into a flowing, pliable material. The raw material begins taking shape.
Controlled cooling locks its new form.
Uniform pellets are the backbone of recycled products.
Every pallet is ready for the next creative stage.
Every pellet is ready for the next creative stage.
Precision placement ensures smooth downstream processing.
Molten pellets take the shape of their future forms. Plastic adapts to every curve and detail. Cooling preserves precision and durability. From waste to beautiful forms, transformation is complete.
Automation ensures speed and precision at every step.
High-speed lines reduce handling time while maintaining quality. Sensors detect imperfections invisible to the human eye. Only perfect items continue along the production line. Organization is automated, precise, and efficient. Every product is marked and ready for identification.
Automation streamlines both production and packing preparation.
Alignment guarantees smooth packaging downstream. Safety and automation work hand in hand in modern factories.
Technology oversees every movement, ensuring flawless operation.
Every product is refined to perfection. Polishing enhances both beauty and durability. Precision inspection ensures flawless presentation. Human touch perfects what machines begin.
Colors, patterns, and designs bring products to life. Even after production, every batch is tested meticulously. Strength and resilience are measured under pressure.
Heat resistance ensures products endure real-world conditions.
Safety tests guarantee products are non-toxic and secure. Every dimension meets strict factory standards.
Consistency in weight confirms quality control at its peak. Impact tests protect customers and preserve trust.
Every surface reflects the factory's commitment to excellence. Certification confirms products meet global standards. Technology ensures every item is thoroughly verified before delivery. Every product is carefully secured for transport.
Sealed and labeled, ready for distribution.
Shrink wrap preserves products during storage and transit.
Automation ensures pallets are stable and organized.
Products are safely stored, ready for delivery.
Efficient loading prepares products for their journey. Every journey begins with careful planning and handling. Products reach the hands of those who need them efficiently.
Plastic waste is reborn into practical and beautiful creations.
And this is how modern factories produce recycled products from start to finish.